The Schumann resonance is a set of extremely low-frequency ELF electromagnetic resonances that exist in the space between the Earth's surface and the lower boundary of the ionosphere. The fundamental frequency is approximately 7.83 Hz, with higher harmonics at roughly 14, 20, 26 Hz, and so on. These resonances form due to the geometry and electrical properties of the Earth ionosphere cavity, which acts as a natural waveguide. Modern scientific explanation. Mainstream science typically teaches that these resonances are primarily excited by lightning strikes. The idea is that lightning discharges around the planet create electromagnetic pulses which bounce around the cavity, and at specific frequencies, constructive interference causes standing wave patterns, the Schumann resonances. A deeper perspective. However, this model is incomplete and potentially misleading. It treats the resonance as something produced by lightning, rather than a pre-existing structural feature of Earth's electromagnetic environment. The cavity itself is not generated by lightning. It exists as a stable potential due to the spherical geometry of the Earth and its atmospheric boundary, particularly the conductive ionosphere above and the relatively conductive Earth below. In this view, the resonance is a natural harmonic of the Earth's geometry and electromagnetic conditions. The cavity always exists and prefers to resonate at these specific frequencies due to its size and electrical characteristics. This means any form of energy that enters this space, be it lightning, solar activity, or artificial transmissions, will naturally excite the cavity at those harmonics. Causality reversed. The key misunderstanding is a reversal of cause and effect. Lightning doesn't create the Schumann resonance, it simply activates or stimulates it. The lightning is responding to conditions within the atmospheric cavity. It is formed within and because of that cavity. In other words, the resonance is primary, and lightning is a secondary expression of energetic imbalance, seeking a path through an already tuned field. Role of other planetary forces. Beyond lightning, other factors play significant roles in maintaining and modulating the resonance. Tidal forces from the Moon and Sun cause periodic compression and relaxation of the Earth's atmosphere. Geomagnetic fields interact with solar winds to shape the ionosphere and influence cavity size and conductivity. Earth's rotation and magnetic tilt affect how energy circulates globally. All of these forces help sustain the cavity and maintain its resonant properties. They ensure a balance of resistance, not zero resistance, but the right amount to support standing waves without rapid energy loss. This allows resonance to self-propagate around the globe in a loop, constantly completing itself in both space and time. Implications for energy and technology. If the Earth's cavity is a natural harmonic system, then it can be tuned into, not just for passive measurement, but for active energy transfer. This is exactly what Nikola Tesla was attempting with his wireless energy systems. By matching the Earth's resonant frequencies, energy can be transmitted through the ground or the air with minimal loss. This technology was sidelined in part because widespread understanding of Earth's resonant behavior would challenge centralized models of energy distribution. It implies that energy does not need wires, only resonance, and that the planet is already equipped to serve as a medium for high-efficiency transmission. In summary, the Schumann resonance is a natural consequence of the Earth ionosphere cavity. It is not created by lightning, but is instead an ever-present field that gets excited by energy, of which lightning is one visible example. Understanding the primacy of this field reshapes how energy, consciousness, and planetary systems can be understood and utilized.